Hey Stu, this is Ava
Hello?
with GHL Starter Kit. I'm with Vico's success team, just checking in on how things are going with your 10K SaaS agency. Did you get access to our weekly masterclass yet?
No.
No worries, Stu. I've sent you the link to our weekly masterclass. It's a great resource to help you out. Be sure to check it out. Also, have you had a chance to check out the exclusive Elite Snapshot and training? It's packed with tools and training to boost your agency.
Really?
Absolutely, Stu. The exclusive Elite Snapshot and training is designed to give you top-notch tools and strategies to streamline your agency and grow faster. Would you like me to send you the link to check it out?
Sure.
I've sent you the link to the exclusive Elite Snapshot and training. Dive in and let me know how it helps. By the way, have you joined our Skool and Facebook communities yet? They're full of like-minded folks sharing tips and ideas to grow together.
I have not.
No problem, Stu. I've sent you the link to join our Skool and Facebook communities. It's a great place to connect and learn from others in the same journey. Let me know once you're in.
Thank you.
Before I let you go, you should check out how others are crushing it with this. Here's the link to our success stories. Tons of real wins that might give you a few ideas too.
I appreciate it. How much is the program?
The exclusive Elite Snapshot and training is a one-time investment of $297. It includes all the tools, automations, and training you need to scale your SaaS agency. Let me know if you'd like to dive in further.
Is it reoccurring or is it one time?
It's a one-time payment, Stu, no recurring charges. You get lifetime access to all the tools and training included.
All right, send it over.
I've already sent you the link to the exclusive Elite Snapshot and training earlier. You can use that to get started right away. Let me know if you need any help along the way.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Stu. Wishing you all the success with your SaaS agency. You're on the right track. Have an awesome day.
You too.